Hello friends, good morning. This is me Neeraj Kumar and friends, today I am here again to start a practice of English speaking. Friends, today I am here to do practice of English friends because I want to improve my English and I want to be a fluent speaker friends. And if you want to learn English and if you want to start your speaking friends, then you can start speaking practice like me friends. First of all, friends, first of all, if you are a new English learners and if you are a student and if you want to do good at your student life, friends, you can watch this video to learn. And friends, if you watch this video to learn, friends, I promise you that friends, you will get more benefits from this video. So this is my promise. And friends, you know, before starting this video friends, I want to thank my audience who is watching patiently from all over the world and all over the India friends. First of all, my audience, thank you for clicking this video and thank you for visiting my channel. And friends, friends, today we are going to practice of English and we are going I'm going to speak and some on some topics. And friends, after watching this video I have got, you will got more ideas how will you start your speaking and how will you start your public speaking. So now friends, without wasting time, let's get started. And friends, first of all, and friends, before start this video, and friends, I want to also appreciate my respected teacher friends who has given me this wonderful opportunity to speak here in front of all of you. So friends, thank you so much sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak here and to express myself. And friends, I am here to share my thoughts. I am here to share my opinions. I am here to share my views. And today I am here to break this stage. And friends, I will start this video with my introduction. Friends, as you know that friends, when we start speaking English and friends, most of the people friends, they start they start they start knowing about the world when they start speaking, when they want to speak friends, they start knowing about the world friends. Know if you want to know about the world, first you need to know yourself. You need to know about yourself. Yes friends, before knowing about the world you must know yourself. Yes, so that's why this is the reason friends I want to start my this speech with my introduction. As you know that my name is Neeraj Kumar, and friends, today I am here to share my experience of English language, and I will share my experience of teaching. And friends, my name is Neeraj Kumar, and friends, I am 19 years old. And friends, I am a student, and friends, I am from Chandosi of Uttar Pradesh. I am from Chandosi city of Uttar Pradesh. And friends, I was born in a poor family, friends. And friends, that friends, there are and as well as friends, I want to give you some information about my family. Friends, as you know that friends, there are 7 members in my family. And friends, as I told you yesterday friends, that I have 2 sisters and I have 2 brothers and me. Friends, my elder brother's name is Mr. Anil Kumar and my younger brother's name is Mr. Rahul Kumar, and my uh, elder sister's name is Mrs. Charan Devi and my younger sister's name is Mrs. Sri Devi. And friends, my father's name is Mr. Birpal and my mother's name is Mr. Mrs. Chandravati. And friends, but today in these days I don't have my mother because before 2 years I lost my mother's friends. Yes, so friends, when I lost my mother, I felt very bad, and I deeply so sad, friends. So, but after after overcoming my uh, sadness, and I start my journey. So friends, you know, friends, my father was very honest person, and he is my idol. And my mother's was very honest and very innocent and lady. And friends, you know, she was my best friend. And friends, I always share my secret with her, friends. So she was my favorite lady in my life. So friends, and friends, 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 as I told you that about my families and friends, my elder brother works as a mechanic because he makes a building, friends. And my younger brothers, he is also a mechanic. He makes a jeans pant in a factory, friends, because is friends ex, Escort factory. So friends, and friends, I want to say all and one thing on now, friends. you know all my siblings, they have got married, but I friends, I am not married, I am unmarried. So friends, why I am unmarried? Because friends, I am doing study, friends. you know as I told you that, friends, about my family. And friends, you can talk about your family. Now friends, I'm going to talk about my education background, friends. First of all, friends, I want to light on my primary education, friends. Friends, my primary education, friends, my primary education has completed at my village, friends. And friends, after that, I went to study in Chandosi, friends. I have done 12th class from FR Inter College, yes. And after that, friends, when I was after that, friends, but uh, in these days I am doing graduation from SM Degree College, yes, from SM Degree College, friends. I am doing why I am doing BA, friends? Why I am doing BA? What's the reason, friends? What's the reason, friends? Because when I was in 12th class, friends, and friends, when I was in 12th class, friends, on that time, friends, I went to Delhi, and friends, for doing some works. And friends, where I met a boy, friends, where I works as a labor, friends. I met I met my uh, I met my builder's son, friends. He was doing preparation for civil service, friends. He he friends, he told me everything about civil servant, and he told me about friends, what 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 facilities has as a IAS officers, what powers has as a IAS officers, friends. I was very impressed about that post. So friends, I when I was 11 class, I was in 12th class, friends. I have decided that after doing my 12th class, I will doing I will be I will do preparation for civil service exam. So friends, that's why I have chosen this PA program. So friends, and I admission in my BA program. So friends, my BA program. And friends, but no, with BA, friends, I have done friends, I have done English language course. Yes, I have done English language course. And friends, I also, friends, felt that, friends, I should teach the students. Yes, I felt that I should teach the student. And friends, I come back my primary school, friends, where I requested that my principal friends, that I asked him that I want to teach in your school. Can I can you give me a chance for teaching in your school, friends? He allowed me, and I started my teaching journey. So friends, I taught there around 1 year, and after that, friends, I I have knowledge of English language, and friends, I felt that, friends, I should moved on English language. That's why, friends, and after that, friends, I opened a English institute. Friends, bought a I bought a room in at rent. Friends, I start my uh, English language teaching journey. So friends, where I reached, friends, friends, where I teach English language for my student, but I don't only teach English language as a subject. Friends, in our school, when I was in school, English was not very important. It was just one more subject. It was not very important. But friends, I don't teach English as a subject. But our all teachers are all teachers are teaching English as a subject. They are not going to going to giving a knowledge as a English language. They are not going to they are teaching English as a subject. But I am not interested like this way. I am interested that, friends, I want to teach English as a language. So friends, I have started my journey. Friends, see that where I will reach. So friends, friends, I have seen that, friends, our college and our schools, they are focusing on the theoretical knowledge. They are not focusing on the practical importance and practical knowledge and practical skills. They are not teaching some basic skills, and these are very necessary for students. Yes, friends, first mistakes is the first first skill is this, friends. I have seen that many students have knowledge, and but friends, they he is not able to ask question in front of people. They And second is, friends, he has knowledge, and friends, he is not able to, friends, uh, he is not able to speak front of people because they have lack of confidence. Yes, they have lack of confidence. And second is, friends, they have knowledge, they want to talk other people, but they have lack of communication skills. His communication skills is not good. So friends, and friends, then friends, all students have equal time. Yes, all have students have equal time, but they are not able to manage their time. Yes, they are not able to manage their time. They are doing some mistakes in managing their time, friends. And friends, I also sees that, friends friends that friends friends, they don't have a developed personality. Yes, they don't have personality developed personality, friends. They want to develop their personality, but friends, they don't have a teacher, and they don't have any institution there they can go and they can indulge such activity in their personality. So friends, after seeing all these things, after seeing all these mistakes, these problems, friends, I have started that I have I have decided that I don't want to be a civil servant, and I want to be a great English language teacher, friends. And I am moving towards my goals. So friends, as you know that, friends, English has become a global language. Yes, English has become a global language, friends. In today's time, you can't survive in this society without knowing English language. Yes, you can't survive without knowing English language, friends, because it is very important and very necessary, friends. when we go 30 years back, 40 years back, English did not have importance, but now at this moment it is 2026. English is the most and demanded language. Yes, English is the most demanded language. And friends, first of all, and have you seen that people friends people want to civils people want to qualify any competitive exam, they want to qualify interview, friends, they need English language. Yes, they need English language, friends, but English as a global language many people will accept, but friends, English as a global language many people will expect because they already know it. We already know this language. Yes, we already know this language. But friends, why they why friends why do they know this language already, friends? Because it is the easy language. Yes, it is easy language, friends. It has only 26 letters. Yes, it has only 26 letters, which letters are used to make words, to make sentences. Yes, and it is also easy. Non-native speakers, yes, you don't know English but you can understand easily written English, friends. So this is very easy. And friends, that have you noticed that, friends, English has become a global language all over the world, friends. It is spoken around 86 countries. Yes, it is spoken around 86 countries, friends. Friends, yes, it is spoken around 86 countries. And friends, sometime it thought to be that, friends, it is the lingua franca. Yes, it is the lingua franca, friends. What is meaning of lingua franca? Do you know, friends? I will tell you, friends. Lingua franca means that, friends, if you want to talk other countries people and other states people, and friends, you don't know their language, they don't know your language, how will you communicate with each other? How will you communicate with each other, because you both of you need a common language. So friends, lingua franca means common language, friends. So I hope I have friends I have friends reveal these terms. So friends, now friends, friends, it is always said that, friends, it is the language of global business and international jobs. Like you want to be pilot and like you want to be air hostess, friends, you need English. Without knowing English, you can't get this type of jobs. You can't this types of jobs, you can't, because there you have to communicate in English. There you have to communicate English, friends. Like, even if you want to start up your business and you want to expand it at international level, friends, then you have to communicate other countries people, you need English. Suppose you have a meeting, friends, you have a meeting at international level, friends. Yes, international level, friends, you want to if you want to attend that meeting, friends, that you need English language, friends. There is more possibility that it could be done in English. Yeah, there is more possibility that it could be done in English. Yes, it could be done in English, friends. But if you don't know English, you will face many difficulties in attending that meeting. So please understand it, friends. you know if you want to make better use of internet, friends, if you know English language, you can make a better use of internet. Because if you want to search on YouTube, if you want to search uh, on Google, if you want to prepare report on any topic, then you need to help the internet, friends. But English language, you can search very well on internet, because all digitalization and all internet systems is in English. It works in English, friends. internet language English. Yes, internet language in English. So this is very simple. And friends, I have realized that friends, English has more pros than cons. It will be more beneficial in the future, and it will be more beneficial for everyone. Friends, if somebody knows English language, who can change his life, who can change others people lives. So I have seen. So this is very important. Now friends, English as a global language, friends, would be not accepted. So many people, friends, who want their language to be global language. Like you can say, friends, Chinese people want to their language to be global language. Chinese people also want their language to be global language. Esperanto is another language whose supporter want their language to be international language. But none of language has successful language has become a successful language. But friends, many language have put their interest to be global language. And friends, mm, Esperanto supporters, friends, they believe that, friends, it is not based on any culture. Yes, they believe that it is not based on any culture. Friends, it is invented language, it should be a global language, they believe. But friends, um, it has not become a successful language. So English, we accept, friends, we need to accept it, that, friends, it should be a global language. So friends, but friends, after listening my words, after talking me, friends, some people, they can say that, friends, they will say, sir, you are promoting other countries language, you are promoting other states, friends, you are promoting other language, friends, you are promoting Hindi language. Why are you promoting English language? Why are you promoting other countries language? You should promote your language, you should promote Hindi language, you should promote your mother tongue. But friends, that our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. Yes, our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. It is not very useful, friends. English was not very important in 30 years ago, but at this moment it is very important. It is the most demanded language in today's time. And friends, it is not means that, friends, I am saying that you should forget your mother tongue. I am not saying, friends, don't forget your mother tongue, friends. But you don't need to learn again your mother tongue. You don't need to more learn your mother tongue, because your mother tongue is good. You are good at your mother tongue. You don't need to learn more your mother tongue. So friends, but I am not saying that you should forget your mother tongue, friends. You should forget your Hindi language, friends. But that we the most important language is our mother tongue in our life. We love maximum our mother tongue. So friends, please, in my humble request, please don't forget your mother tongue. But friends, English not speaking at your house. Don't speak English at your house. Please don't speak English at your house, friends. But outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English language. Yes, please speak in English language, friends. Even if you make some mistakes in English, please don't worry, friends. Please don't worry, friends. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Yes, please make some mistakes. Please try to speak in English language, friends. Why we are not able to speak English language, friends? Why? Do you know the reason? Because we never try to speak English language. We always speak in our mother tongue. So we are not able to speak English language, friends. Friends, there are so many people born to learn English language. There are so many students, they born to be a good English speaker. But friends, in today's video we are going to talk about English language. This is the skill, friends. But this is skills, friends. But that when we learn any skills, friends, we do some mistakes. That's why we are not able to learn any skills. That's why we are not able to learn any skills, friends. First mistake is that, friends, we do mistakes. Number one, that friends, these mistakes, we can say these problems, friends, people want to solve their problems. Yes, people want to solve their problems. But friends, if you want to solve your problem, first you must know your problem. What is your problem? You must know that. After knowing your problem, you can solve your problem. This is first thing. People don't know their problems. Yes, people don't know their problems, but they want to solve their problems, friends. How can you solve your problems if you do not your problems? Please understand. First of all, and mm, first of all, know your problem, then you solve your problem. This is, please keep this way of attitude. So now, friends, first mistake is must first mistake is, friends, that people don't take action. Yes, people don't take action, friends. Many people, they want to learn English, they want to speak English, and friends, but friends, all persons, friends, people don't, friends, around friends, 90 and 80% people don't take action of the crowd. 80% people don't take action. They want to learn some skill. They want to they want to buy some skills, and they want to learn some skills, friends, but they don't take action. Yes, they don't take action. This is the first mistakes, friends. But second mistake is this, friends. Only uh, 20% people take action. But second mistake is this, that that people that somebody takes action. But friends, second mistake is this, friends, that he does not continue his work. Yes, he does not continue his work, friends. Only, friends, this is the second mistake. He does not continue his work. So this is biggest second mistakes. Before, when we learn any skills, we face these mistakes, we face these problems. So friends, please take action, and please continue your work. If you want to get result, if you want to be a fluent speaker, please continue, do your work. And friends, this is the first mistakes. And friends, people want to fluent in speaker, but they don't speak, they don't take action to speaking, to learning something. And friends, second mistake is this, friends, that friends, that friends, people, when wanting for perfection to come, friends, waiting for perfection to come. Many people, they are waiting perfection to come, friends. They think that once I have become perfect, then I will start my journey, friends. It is not going to happen, friends. It is not going to happen. Please understand it. Nothing is of happen, friends. Please don't wait perfection, friends, because perfection will not come, friends. You have if you want to, like, you want to, if you want to speak in English, friends, first you have to speak. Yes, if you think that once I have become a fluent speaker, then I will start, right? It is not going to happen, friends. It is not real, friends. It is not real, friends. It is the real situation. Please understand. please don't. Friends, if you want to, friends, if you want to good swimmer, friends, you need to get into the water. Yes, you need to get into the water. If you don't get into the water, you can't be good swimmer. You can't be good swimmer, friends. If you want to good swimmer, then you need to get into the water, friends. Only reading by books, only reading books, you can't be good swimmer. That's why likely that if you want to be good fluent speaker, then still you have to speak every single day. Yes, you have to speak every single day. So this is, friends, you have to start, friends. Please please speak, friends. You, like, you are doing some mistakes, doesn't matter, friends. It is not matter that you are speaking wrong English or right English. It is not matter that you are speaking English. It is matter, please understand. People do this. And friends, second mistake is that, friends, self doubt. Yes, friends, most of the student, they are going to learn some skills and they are going to do in remarkable in their life. But friends, they have self doubt. Yes, self doubt, friends. It is the big problem. It is the biggest problem I have seen, friends. Friends, if you have self doubt, friends, it is the big problem, friends. you know and friends, some that most many students, they buy a service, they buy courses, friends. When, friends, I get, friends, I get some questions from each of you, friends. Some student asked me that after doing your course, will will I speak English? Will I speak English? I say yes. After doing my course, you can speak English. And second times, they he asks that they ask that after doing your course, after doing your service, will I speak English? That I simply say again that after doing my course and my service, if you put efforts, you can speak definitely. And third time, he also asked that after doing this course, can I speak English, friends? I say, I says, I say them that you can't speak. They say, why, sir? Before some time, friends, sir, you are saying that after doing this course you can speak English, but this now at this time, friends, sir, you are saying that you can't speak English. Why are you saying, friends? Because if you have self doubt, you can't do anything, friends. You can't do anything, friends. If you think that you can do that, then you can do. If you think then you can't do, you can't do. This is the mindset, friends. Many people, they have negative mindset, that they think that I can't do nothing in my life, and I can't learn any skills, they think. And rather than saying that I can't do anything, saying instead, they're saying that I can do everything. I am a powerful, I am a powerful human, I can do anything. Friends, please think, please change your mindset, negative to positive. Please change your mindset. So this is very simple, friends. This is very simple, friends. Please change your mindset, attitude, friends. So this is simple. Now, friends, you know friends, five mistake is this, friends, that when people friends, people uh, people want, friends, people want, people know have, friends, people don't have clarity. Yes, people don't have clarity. And friends, if you do not have clarity, clarity, you can't speak, you can't do anything, friends. because you don't have knowledge, you don't know that how to use basic words of English language like is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. Friends, you have learned these words theoretically. You don't know that how to use these words in practical way. So friends, you can't speak. So clarity is the most important. Like if I say you have to speak on the stage, speak whatever you want to speak. Friends, you can't speak because you don't have clarity. Friends, you can't have clarity. Friends, if I say that speak on tree, your all forces will gather on a tree. You will get some ideas, then you will start your speaking. So this is simple, friends. Clarity is very important. If you don't have clarity, friends, please clarity. And friends, people want overnight result. Yes, most of the people, they want to uh, overnight result, friends. But somebody want to fluent speaker, and friends, he has start he has started his speaking journey. Friends, he has delivered one or two speeches. And friends, after delivering his speeches, friends, he is he is comparing himself to extraordinary person. Friends, he is comparing himself. Friends, how you can compare yourself to an extraordinary person who has practiced a lot, who has experienced a lot? So friends, how can you practice, how can you compare? Friends, compare your speech and yourself uh, with previous day progress. Yes, compare your speech with previous day progress. Then you can realize that I am improving. So this is simple. And friends and friends, nothing is going to happen in overnight. Yes, nothing is going to happen. Friends, you need to efforts. You have to speak English in every single day. Yes, you have to speak in every single day. You have to speak. Friends, nothing is going to happen in overnight story. Friends, I have heard this that success comes overnight. But friends, do you know this night is long period? Yes, this line is this night is a long period. Friends, it talks. Friends, there are so many nights include in this night. So this is very simple. And friends, most of the people, they quitting before the game ends. Most of the people, they want to be fluent speaker, they want to qualify this exam, they want to get job. But friends, most of the people, they give up, they quitting before the game ends. Friends, please don't quit before the game ends. Friends, first of all, please do efforts, continue. Please don't give up. Friends, please don't give up, and keep patience. Friends, and do hard work. So this is very important. And friends, you have to speak every single day. You have to do efforts every day. If you don't efforts, you can't going to get any type of result. So this is simple. So friends, if you put efforts, you can see result. And friends, you know this is the biggest mistakes, and this is the biggest problems we face. This is the glossophobia. Friends, what is glossophobia? Friends, what is glossophobia? Friends, glossophobia means that, friends, it means fear of public speaking. Friends, it is the biggest fear on the planet. After that, it is the biggest fear of after the that. Friends, most more and more people, they fear they are fear. Most of the people, they fear, fear of public speaking. They have fear of public speaking, friends. They do not want to speak in front of people. They do not want to speak English in front of people because they have fear of public speaking, friends. That if you want to overcome your these problems, friends, you have to face your problems. You have to face your problems, friends. Somebody gives you opportunity to speak in front of people. Please, 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 friends, please take this opportunity and speak in front of people. Don't friends, don't say that I can't speak. Friends, speak as you can speak. uh, Please speak. And friends, people have fear of being wrong. People have fear of being wrong, friends. Don't take this, friends. People have mindset of beggar. They don't keep the mindset of king. So, friends, Mahatma Buddha also said that, friends, human makes two mistakes. Yes, human makes two mistakes. One is, friends, he does not start the work. Yes, he does not start the work. Second mistake is he does not continue his work. Yes, he continued his work. Friends, they want to do many things, but they don't start work. So this is very important. And friends, speak in front of people. So this is very important. Now, friends, I have told you some problems when we start learning any journey. So now, friends, as we were talking about English language and we were discussing um, about English language, friends, I have told you some information about English language. But friends, there are so many language, there are so many students, they want to learn English language. And friends, but friends, some people say that, sir, we can't learn English because we are Hindi medium student. We can't learn English because we are Hindi medium student. Friends, how can you say that you are Hindi medium student? How can you say, friends? Because English is there in first class, English is there in 10th class, English is there in 12th class, English is there in 12th class, English is there in graduation. How can you say that you are Hindi medium student, friends? Friends, how can you say that out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English. You are learning one language, that is English. So please think, please don't make excuse for other than English language. Please don't make excuse, friends. Friends, who learned English with a lot of difficulties. Yes, who learned English with a lot of difficulty. Friends, school does not matters. Hindi medium or government school does not matter. Friends, what matters is motivation. Friends, what matters is motivation. Do you have motivation? Do you have motivation? You can learn anything. So friends, you know we learn English language from YouTube channel. We learn grammar rules from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. But we do not have any purpose. We do not have any desire. Friends, we can't learn anything. We can't learn anything if we do not have any purpose. We do not have any desire, friends. So please don't be like this. Please don't be like this. So friends, and friends, uh, uh, I am giving example of a story, friends. You can then realize it, you can relate it, friends. That in a place there was a king, friends. He was fond of eating delicious food. Yes, he was fond of delicious food, friends. Friends, he fired his servant who friends who friends used to make food for him. He fired, friends, and he announced his state that who will prepare will prepare delicious food and that food was liked by me, I will give you my half properties for that person. I will give you half of my half properties of this that person. He announced. And friends, after listening this statement, and many people gathered uh, in his palace, and in his palace, and friends, they are going to they are going to they started they started making food, and they prepared delicious and tasty food. And friends, the king tasted every person's food one by one, but he rejected all type of foods and all persons. Friends, and after happening this situation, and after happening this incident, and friends, and friends, there is a one person who standing in a corner of palace, and friends, who said the king, friends, that I want, I will prepare delicious food, and you will definitely like my food. This is my confidence. And Raja, friends, king surprised, and friends, but he he said him that condition I have condition I have condition that I want to your one horse, and I want some dishes of your palace. Then he took these all type things, and he went in a jungle, and he he prepared only chapatis and dal. And friends, he come back, and he came back palace, and he said, Maharaj, please go with me, please come with me, and where I prepared food for you, please come with me. And king friends he friends you know friends he get king sat on horse. He get king horse, and friends, when he went there, friends, when we sit on horse, we feel and dumping and bumpy. Friends, we feel. And friends, king started hungry. King was very hungry, friends, and he went there, and he took and that type of food. And friends, he liked very much. Friends, he liked, and he he com he friends, he fulfill his promise. He full, fulfill his promise. And when what we learn what we learn what we learned from this story, we learned that needs is one thing and wants is another things. So this is very simple. And now, friends, is my English all good? You will say, yes, sir, your English is good. You are speaking well English. Yes. But, friends, do you want your English to be like mine? Do you want your English to be like mine? Friends, it can easily be. You can speak English like me. Friends, it can easily be. So, this is very important. Now, friends, this is all introduction of English language. This is all information of English language. Now I am going to tell you that how will you learn English language. Yes, how will you learn English language, friends? Before learning any language, you must know that what are what are the what are things in a language. How many things in a language you must know, friends? In a language, there are four things: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. There are four things. Friends. you have to command on these four things if you want to learn English language. Friends, that have somebody had command on these four things. That means that you have knowledge of English. You are able to speak English language. This is very simple. You have knowledge of English language. Friends, friends, if you do not have command on these things, that means you don't know language. You don't know that language. You don't know that language. Friends, please understand it. Friends, please understand. You don't know knowledge. Friends, and friends, in this video, we will discuss and every aspect of English language one by one. Yes, we will discuss every aspect of language one by one. First, friends, first of all, we are going to talk about reading. Friends, I am asking a question. Friends, I am asking a question. Friends, are you reading English in your life? Are you reading English in your life? You will say, yes, sir, we are reading English in our life. Friends, but you can say, we read, we read newspaper, we read magazines, we read English stories, we read novels, we read so many things. But no, friends, you read all these things only for meaning. You read all these things only for meaning. You never try to read uh, all these things for language, for improvement, friends. But no, meaning is not important for improvement. Yes, meaning is not important for improvement. Friends, what is important for improvement? Do you know what is important for improvement? Friends, first of all, you have to understand it, friends, that when you are reading any when you read any passage and any book, you have to identify that what kinds of sentence are used in this passage, what kind of language used in this passage. You have to identify this. So this is very important. And friends, you know, when you read, and friends, most many teachers, they suggest uh, their student that you should you should 20 books, and you should read 10 pages and 20 pages in a day. They advise, they suggest, friends, but here I am not suggesting you that you read 20 books and 10 pages in a day. I am not suggesting you. I am saying only one thing, friends. Read one page or two pages, but you have to read it at least 10 times or 20 times. Yes, you have to read it at least 10 times or 20 times. This is very important. Now, friends, why is, some people say, sir, why is repeating so many times? And that we repeat anything, we, friends, we become master of this thing. Friends, repetition brings confidence, repetition brings knowledge, repetition brings and language. So this is very important. Friends, I hope you have heard this quotation, that this is quotation of Bruce Lee. Friends, Bruce Lee said that, friends, I am not afraid a person who, friends, friends, who has done practice thousands kicks. I am afraid of a person who practice one kick thousands times. So this is the power of practice. Yes, this is the power of practice. So practice. So friends, repetition is very important. Repetition is very important. And friends, Bruce Lee died around 31 years of age. Is, friends, is, so this is very important. Now, friends, I have told you some points for reading. You can follow it while reading. So, friends, now, friends, I am moving on our next pillars of English language. This is writing. Yes, friends, writing is also important. Yes, writing is also important. I see that I have seen that many students they want to write good, they want to write essay on one any topic, but friends they are not able to write. Friends, I have also seen that friends many students they do not want to write at all. They do not want to write at all. Friends, they are struggling. They are struggling. They do not want to write at all. Friends, but friends you have if you want to write in English, you first you need to start your journey. Friends, how will you start your journey? Friends, first of all, a command on basic concept of English language. Yes, command on basic concept of English language. Friends, then you start your journey. Friends, you know then you have to do it. Friends, that choose one topic in a day. Yes, choose one topic in a day, and like you have select education. Like you have select education, you can think about education in a day 20 lines you can think. And next day choose same topic like education, think again about education, but 40 lines and 30 lines. And next day choose same topic and think more and more. Friends, if you do practice like this, friends, after doing some days, friends, you can become master of these things. Because you have knowledge about this topic, you have knowledge, you can speak on this topic, you can speak on this topic. So this is very important. Now friends, this is very important. This is writing. And when second way is that, friends, that you can follow it. Friends, you can follow it. Friends, that when you, friends, when you get angry, friends, when you get angry with your friends, then friends you want to fight with them. Friends, please, in my humble request, please don't fight with them. Please don't fight with them, because fighting will create problems. Yes, fighting will create problems. Please come back your house and enter your study room and sit on your study chair and friends and friends you know and friends, take your pen, take your copy, and start writing 20 sentences and 30 sentences. Why do you get angry with him? Why do you get angry with them? Friends, after writing 20 sentences, 30 sentences, friends, after writing 20 sentences, 30 sentences, you feel very happy. Yes, you feel very happy, you feel very well, you feel very good. Friends, this is the because we have maximum fluency in English, we have maximum fluency in written communication. This is very important. So this is very important. You can follow it two ways. And while you are writing, friends, I hope you have got ideas that how will you start your writing journey. So this is what I have done. So this is very important. Now friends, this is I made you some points for writing. Now friends, I am going to moving on our next third step of English language. This is listening. Yes friends, listening is most important in learning a language. Yes, listening is the most important. Friends, when we learn any language, listening is the part of the language. Friends, if you want to develop your language early, and if you want to learn English early, then you need to listening, then you need to listen English. So this is very important, friends. But whenever we listen English language, whenever we listen English language, we do mistakes. Yes, we do mistakes. What is mistakes, friends? Then somebody is speaking in English language, then we start try to translate into it in our mother tongue. We start translate it into our mother tongue. So friends, please don't doing from today. Please don't, please stop doing that from the, please stop doing that from today. Friends, Please stop doing that from today. This is the biggest mistake, friends, because we do not need translated version of English language. We do not translated version. We need in we need friends. We need we need to understand English to English. We need to understand English to English. Yes, we need to understand English to English. So this is very important. So please don't translate, friends. When you listen that, friends, listening will give you language. Listening will give you translation. Listening will give you, friends, listening will give you, friends, listening will give you language. Listening will give you translation. And friends, listening is the foundation of any language. Listening and reading, these are the foundation means that, friends, if you want to build if you want to build a building, then you need a foundation. So this is called foundation. And friends, that most of the people, when they start listening, that, friends, they do some mistake. Then they jump on watching movie and on listening podcast. They start listening podcast, they start watching movie. But, friends, I am suggesting you that don't start listening with movie, with the podcast. Please don't listen, because they use advanced language in his content. Yes, they use advanced advanced English. Friends, you have to start your listening journey, friends, with kids cartoon and kids stories. Yes, you have to start, because they use simple English in his yes, they use simple English in their content. Because you can understand easily. They use simple words. They use basic words of English language you can use. And this is very important. Now, friends, I have suggest you this way, you can follow it. Now, friends, I am going to moving on our last and very important aspect of English language. This is speaking, friends. Yes, friends, we know everything, but we are not able to speak. It is that we don't know nothing. We don't know nothing. So it is very important, friends. It is not matter that how vocabulary you reached, how grammatical rules and how you are good at grammar. It is not matter, friends. It is a different things, friends. Knowing is one thing, and implementation is second things. So this is very important. Now, friends, many people, they know grammar rules, they know vocabulary, they know so many things, but they are not able to speak, friends, because they are waiting for somebody will come and who will help them, and they can start. Friends, they are waiting someone, they are waiting for perfection. Then they think that once I have become perfect, then I will start my speaking. Friends, it is not going to happen. Friends, it is not going to happen. Friends, if you want to start, then you need to speak, friends, because speaking comes only by speaking. Yes, speaking comes only by speaking. This is very important. Speaking comes only by speaking. If you want to speak, then you need to speak. You need to speak every single day if you want to improve. So this is very important, friends. But how will you start your speaking journey, friends? That how will you practice of speaking, friends? Good to practice with friend. If you have friends, you can practice with him. If you do not have friends, you can practice of English with yourself. Have you seen that many people play play chess with themselves, friends? They take white coin, then they go there, then they take white coin, again they come here. You can practice of English like this. You can practice English like this. So this is very simple. Friends, you know friends, your real friend might run away. Yes, your real friend might run away, but your cell phone doesn't run away. You always have your cell phone. Use it and learn English, friends. So this is simple. And friends, you have a good friend than your real friend. So he will say, I do not want to listen English, I do not want to learn English. What will you do? What will you do, friends? Friends, then when you speak English in front of people, friends, you will feel nervous, you will feel shy. Friends, don't speak in front of the people. Friends, speak with yourself, record yourself and listen yourself. Yes, record yourself, listen yourself. This is very important. Record yourself, listen yourself, please. And please see that what are the mistakes are you doing, and identify your mistakes. If you are, if you if you have if you have good concept of basic English, you can easily identify your mistakes. So friends, you can see that I don't have any teacher who can guide you and you can identify my mistakes. I do not have any teacher, friends. I have learned English with myself, with my experience. Friends, I took 2 years of learning basic grammatical concept. Friends, after learning this 2 years, friends, I was not able to speak. Yes, but I I did some efforts, those efforts, because I am able to speak English today. But after 2 years, I was, friends, I will not be like this. I will be different. So this is very important. Friends, you can speak. This is like the friends. Friends, this is very important. Friends, that friends, why we are not able to speak English language? Because friends, you always speak in your mother tongue. You always speak in your mother tongue. You never try to speak English. You never try to speak in English language. Friends, when we speak in our mother tongue, our mind is full of ideas, because we are putting it in Hindi. Because friends, we do not need ideas, we do not need meaning, we do not need subject, we need English language. Yes friends, we need English language. This is very important. We need English language. So friends, friends, if I say speak in Hindi, you can speak very well. Friends, you can speak fluently. But if I say speak English language, you can't speak. Friends, there are so many students here. Friends, friends, you can speak and 100 sentences, you can't speak. Friends, friends, mother tongue, everybody can speak very well. Yes, mother tongue, everybody can speak very well, because French speak better French, Japanese speak better Japanese, Chinese people better Chinese, but India, at least we speak English language. That is why we are getting benefits. Yes, we are getting benefits. But whole world also says that Indians are very intelligent. Yes, whole world says that Indians are very intelligent, friends. But we do not have anything, but we don't practice. We do not have anything. So please don't be like that, like this. So friends, it is the Indian capability that every Indian can learn 5 to 6 languages easily. It is the Indian capabilities. But you don't need to learn 5 to 6 languages. You need to learn only one language. This is enough for your future, for your career. So this is very important. So now friends, this is very important. Friends, why you are not able to speak when somebody is speaking? Why because friends, you are not thinking in English language. You are not thinking. This is the biggest mistakes, friends, because you are not able to think and speak. What we do is, friends, we think, then we translate, then we speak. So friends, you are not able to think and speak at once. So we have to change it, friends. We have to think in English then early, and you have to notice that how much gaps in your speech. You have to notice this is very simple. And friends, this is very simple. And friends, that friends, have you read Bhagavad Gita? Have you read Bhagavad Gita, friends? What did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita? What did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, friends? In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that whatever you do, you must do it efficiently. If you come to impact, then learn efficiently. It is going to make your life. It is going to make you successful. So this is very important. Now, friends, in a tradition, we have something called mantra. What is mantra? Mantra means that you have to speak one word at least 100 times and 200 times. This is called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Your mantra is English speaking. Friends, get up early in the morning. As soon as get up early in the morning, friends, you do puja and do bathing and all. Friends, please do all these things English. Can you do that? If you can do that, if you can do it, friends, you can improve your English language. You can improve your language. So this is very important, friends. If you do not practice if you do not practice one day, please don't sleep on that day. Please don't eat on that day. Please don't do anything on that day, friends. You will say, yes sir, you are impacting me. We don't need to learn English. We are going to happily home. We don't need to, friends. It is good, friends. You can go your house happily, but after 5 years, after 10 years, you will you will have realized that, friends, that you you should have to learn English language. So this is very simple. So friends, this is very simple. And friends, friends, this is very simple. And friends, first of all, friends, I can't say that please go to the medical shops and please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets and one morning and one evening. After 10 days, good English. Friends, please believe me that there is not such tablet in the market. There is not such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet, that is work hard. Yes, that is work hard. Are you willing to work hard? You can improve. So this is very important. You have to work hard. You have to do a lot of work for your speaking English. So this is very important, friends. Friends, you can improve your English. Friends, don't depend on sir, don't depend on me or any of the other sir. Please do what you have to do. Please, this is simple. And friends, these all thoughts and of me, and I have shared with all of you. I hope like you will like this my spoken journey. And friends, please do in comment how do you like this video, and please, I will wait for your comment. And friends, I have told you that how will you start your learning and what are the things in a language. And friends, I have also make some points. And friends, I have make some points. And friends, I have told you. Now friends, I am also going to talk about, friends, that this is the most important aspect of our life. This is education. Yes, education is the most important, friends. But please tell me, what is education, and what do you know by education? What is your thinking about education? What is your opinions about education? Please give me something. Some people say, sir, getting knowledge means education, friends. But it is not complete meaning. It is not complete meaning, friends. Education is not think that you think. Yes, education is not think that you think. It is something more of it. It is something more of it. Yes, it is something more of it. Education is something that could help you education is something that could provide you a way to achieve something and to be successful in your life. Yes, to be successful in your life. So education this like this, friends. Suppose in which condition you are not able to speak. Yes, you are not able to speak, friends. How are you going to survive in this country? How are you going to survive in this society? That means you are not able to pay your bills, you are not able to feed your family, you are not able to help the society, even you can't able to fulfill your dreams. This is very important, friends. In case if you want to earn money, in case if you want to, friends, feed your family, in case to have luxurious life, in case to have certain freedom in your family, friends, we can say we can see that education is everywhere. Yes, we can see that education is everywhere, friends. We can see that education is everywhere. So friends, this is very important. You can change the mentality of a person with education. If you want to change the mentality of person, if you want to change the social outlooks, you know whatever discrimination we all are facing in today's time, what are the discrimination we all are facing in today's time, are you able to change that without education? Obvious answer is no, for sure. Education is the most important for everyone, for all of us. So friends, suppose there is the one person here, friends, who is not well educated, who is not CEO of any company, friends, but he is more down to earth. He is more empathetic about a person's situation, friends. That kind of person, friends, we always we we want to search. We do not want such kind of people who is making money, who is printing money all the time. We do not want such kind of people, friends. We want educated from his mind, from his soul, from his behavior. We want such kind of people. So this is very important. And friends, then if you think that you are not morally educated and you start realizing on your mistakes, you start realizing on, friends, deficiently. And friends, first of all, look that friends, what qualities actually you don't have, what qualities actually you don't have, please see it, what qualities actually don't have. And friends, then go for it and do such activities and indulge your personality. This is very simple. And friends, this is very simple. Now friends, this is very simple. Now friends, education teaches us that, friends, how to be good human, how to be disciplined, and how to stand on our own feet. How to stand on our own feet, friends. How to stand, how to be able to earn money. And education teaches. And when education also teaches you that how to read and how to write, and how to speak properly, friends. It builds our character. And friends, it builds our character, friends. If we are educated, and friends, we can make better decision for the future. We can make better decision for future than unliterate person. Yes, we can make better decision for future an unliterate person. So this is very important. Friends, friends, we can literate. And friends, we can make we can make this planet better to live if we are educated. And friends, we can understand better understand the world if we are educated. And friends, you know a great person of India who shared that somebody is not educated, finds that he looks as an animal and he behaves as an animal. Friends, he said, yes, I am talking about Mr. Chanakya. Yes, I am talking about Mr. Chanakya. Friends, Chanakya said, friends, he was a great writer of India. Friends, so when that you can notice that that all over the world there are so many countries, they are they are providing free education for its citizens because they want make their citizens educated. Like India is also providing free education for its citizens because it wants to make their citizens, it wants to make its citizens educated. So this is simple. Means that if you are educated, you can participate in the politics. Yes, you can participate in the politics. If you are not educated, you can't participate in the politics directly or indirectly. So this is benefits, it gives right. Our constitution gives right to us to get education. Friends, it is not matter that you are rich or poor. It is not matter that, because in India everybody is equal before the law. Friends, because everybody has a right to get education. Friends, in India you can get education first to 10th class free, first to 12th class free you can get. So this is very important. Now friends, these are my thoughts about education. And as friends, we, as we are talking about education, friends, education, our constitution gives us right to get education. Friends, our constitution, in our constitution, friends, constitu- constitution has article 14. Yes, article 14 gives us when equality before equality, because equality before the law, it means that everybody is equal before the law. Friends, but in the name of this equality, in the name of this gender equality, in the name of this gender equality, why we didn't even, friends, why we didn't even wonder why men always are the reason all these crimes, why men are the reason all these crimes. Have you friends it is isn't that is that is it not that concerning, friends? Is it not concerning? Is it not concerning, friends? Why always men are the reasons all these crimes? Friends, friends, somebody has quoted that मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. Somebody has quoted, friends, मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. I hope you guys heard this quotation many times. Yes, I hope you guys heard this quotation many times. But friends, why we have built up these typical notions? Why we have believed that men don't have emotion, men don't have feelings? Sir, are you not human? Are you not human, sir? You don't have feelings, you don't have emotion. Why we have built up these typical notions? Why we have believed that men don't have emotion? And that friends, a person who comes up and he try to show up his fear, he try to little bit cry and little bit show up his feeling. That friends, millions of mouth are always ready to say that they are weak, he's loser, his failure, he's just like a woman. Friends, we can see just like a woman. Millions of mouth are always ready to say these lines. So because we have built up these typical notions, friends, it is not always 50-50. It is not always 50-50. Friends, it sometime it could be 30-70, sometime it could be 40-60, sometime it could be 9-10. Can you guys believe me? I am telling the reason that, friends, you have your father at your house, right? You have your father at your house, right? Friends, your father, when in the morning, when you, when you were coming here, did you ask your father and tell him that what you actually feel for him from inside? Did you ever express your feeling to him? Not. But thank, this is not your fault, friends. This is not your fault. Thank you for telling me. This is not your fault. This is fault. Fault is the lies in the society. Fault in a, is the lies in the society. The fault lies in the society, friends. So this is, friends, our father, like our father, who is working day or night. Yes, who is working day or night, friends, to earn money, to provide nourishment to their family, to their wives, to their children, every person of society. But friends, he has zero acceptation from any of us. Yes, he has zero acceptation from any of us because we are not giving anything. Yes, we are not giving anything. We are not giving anything, friends. That, friends, I will give you some another example of our society, friends, that it is always seen that Indian household, especially, that, friends, whenever a child leaves a home, that especially when I left my home for the purpose of my college, friends, I went to hostel, friends, that a single dialogue every father always says that मम्मी को कॉल करते रहना, friends, that because he already knows that my child is not going to call me, my child is going to call him mother, her mother. So he already believes, he has, because he has zero acceptation, he has zero acceptation who would to come to him and express our feeling. So this is very important. Now, friends, we always talk about women equality. We always talk about women equality, friends, which is very important, or almost which is an other, friends. But can we just talk about men equalities? When we can we give a few seconds of our life for this topic, men equality, friends? We can legally talk about this topic, friends. That, friends, a person here, friends, who gives a commitment to a girl. Yes, who gives a commitment to a girl, friends, if he fails to fulfill it, if who fails to fulfill it, his commitment, and that he could be sentenced to jail. He could be sentenced to jail in the rape case. Do you know? He could be sentenced to jail in the rape case, friends. But there is not there is not even single constitutional law made for women that if she fails to fulfill that commitment, there could be certain action would be taken. There is not made a single constitutional made for women. So this is not, friends, friends, this is the big problem in our society, friends. This is the big problem, friends. Problems comes in our life, and we are the one that how to deal with it, how to deal with it. So this is main problem, how to deal with it, how to deal with it when problems comes up, friends. Friends, that even for a child, what is the biggest problem for him in his school? The biggest problem for him, that, friends, he, if he does not complete his homework, it is the biggest problem for him, friends. You can't compare this problem with society problems. You can't compare, friends. Friends, you can't change this problem alone. Not by alone, friends. We have to change this problem together. We have to change this problem together, friends. But please tell me that how would you consider it? How would you consider it? How would you, how would you consider it? How would you consider it? Consider, how would you consider? How would you consider it? Friends, don't consider it is, it is problems. Don't consider it is, friends. Please consider it is a motivation. Consider it is an opportunity. Consider it is a, this is a about motivation, that this is the thing that I really want to change of the society, not why alone. We have to change this problem together. So this is very problems. Friends know that friends, women should be equally educated, women should be equally independent. Friends, like our mother, she is not working and she is living good life with her children, with her family, friends. But we could not imagine, could not imagine imagine a life of man. We could not imagine a life of man, friends. That it is always said that, friends, if you don't work, if you don't turn, there is not scope in your life. You would not have your family, you would not have your children. So so this is very important. Now friends, I am not here. Uh, is I am not here and discreet women. I am there. That's why I didn't speak against women. So this is very important. Now, friends, these all my thoughts about gender equality. Now, friends, I am going to talk about our next step. Friends, I am talking about my favorite leader. Yes, I'm going to talk about my favorite leader, friends. My favorite leader name is Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri. But friends, his it is not his real name. Yes, it is not his real name, friends. His real name was Mr. Lal Bahadur Srivastav. But friends, he dropped his real name. Why he dropped his real name? Why he dropped his real name? Because, friends, he was against caste system. Yes, he was against caste system, friends. That's why he dropped his real name, friends. He was born 2nd October 1904. He was, friends, his father was a school teacher. And friends, when his father died, friends, he was only one child of his parents. And friends, his was he was brought up by his grandfather. He was brought up by his grandfather. And friends, he was very great person. He was very honest for his work. He was an epitome of integrity. Yes, he was an epitome of integrity, friends. And friends, he he did study at Banaras. Yes, he did study at Banaras. And friends, when he was doing his graduation, friends, he was given a title, uh, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was given a title Lal Bahadur Shastri because he was a great scholar. Yes, he was a great scholar, and that's why he was given a title Lal Bahadur Shastri. Friends, when he was young, and when he was he was doing graduation. And friends, he start take participate in politics. And yes, he started politics. And he started participate in politics, friends, because he want to be a leader. And friends, he wanted India free. Friends, he fought for India freedom. And he was sentenced to jail many times. He was sentenced to jail many times for India freedom. Friends, I want to friends I want to tell you the incident of his life, friends. That when he was in jail, friends, he had uh, he had daughters. Friends, his daughter was um, sick. Yes, his daughter was sick. And friends, he was suffering from uh, uh, some 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 problems. And friends, friends, his daughter wanted to meet his father. Friends, he friends, friends friends his wife friends his wife wrote a letter to jail for him. And friends, he got he got letter and read that letter. And friends, he understood he understood every problems of his house. And friends, as soon as he got 21 days leaves, and he came back house he came back his house, and he met his daughter. And friends, he felt very well after meeting his daughter. Friends, his daughter also felt very well after meeting his father. Friends, but his daughter died. Yes, his daughter died after meeting his father. Friends, when he did his last rituals, and friends, he is ready to go jail back. And friends, he was going to jail, and that time, friends, his wife asked him that, where are you going? You have 21 days leaves. You should stay with us. Why are you going to jail? Friends, he simply replied that, I got these 20 days leaves for my child, for my daughter, but I do not have my daughter. What of purpose these leaves? So I want to go to jail. So he came back, and so he was very honest. What friends, he worked as a home minister of Uttar Pradesh. He worked as a railway minister. Friends, when he was railway minister. And friends, there happened some problems. Yes, there happened some problems. And friend, there was there was there were some problems. And friends, he he accepted that these all problems happened because of me. He accept. And friends, he resigned from his service. He resigned from his seat. Friends, but today's time, there is not a leader who is going to accept his problem. He is going to resign his from his seat. There is not a leader, friends. So he was very honest person. And friends, after the death of Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, friends, he became the prime minister of India two times. He became the prime minister of India two times. So this all. And friends, he gave us a slogan that we can say Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Friends, during the war with Pakistan. Friends, he was a simple man, and he was living a simple life, and he took simple food, and he wore khadi clothes. Friends, but he had a taller structure. Yes, he had a taller structures. And friends, his ideology was to serve country, not to be served country. So this is very important. Now friends, I have shared some points about my favorite leader. And friends, I'm going to share some points of my favorite color. Friends, I have I friends I friends I friends I friends I tell you every day about my favorite color. Friends, about my favorite color. Friends, do you know what is my favorite color? Friends, I know many colors in my life. Friends, I use different colors in my everyday life, but white white is my favorite color. Yes, white is my favorite color. Friends, why I like this color? Friends, why I like this color? Because friends, there are some reasons. Friends, first is that, friends, it suits my personality, and it gives me a peace of mind. Yes, it gives me a peace of mind. Yes, it gives me a peace of mind. Friends, it is always said that, friends, that it is the symbol of purity, the symbol of beauty. it is always sad, friends. You know, it is it is the color of it is holy color. Yes, it is it is holy color, friends, because it is linked with many religions. It is linked many religions, and friends, it is holy color. And friends, it is the part of our national flag. Yes, it is the part of our national flag. Yes, it is the part of our national flag. It is the part of our national flag. Friends, on that place, when it shows that India is peace loving country. Yes, on that place it shows that India is peace loving country. Friends, and friends, you know that we when white clothes we normally wear. Friends, why we Indian wears white clothes? Because friends, white clothes, friends, uh, friends, reflect heat. Yes, white clothes reflect heat and protects us from direct sunlight in the summer. So that's why we wear white clothes in summer. And friends, you know, we normally use white clothes to cover a newborn baby, to cover a dead bodies, and because it is linked with our beginning and end of our life. It is linked with our beginning and end of our life. So it is very simply. And friends, you know, have you noticed that, friends, enter when we enter a building that is made white marble, friends, we can sense a divine presence. We enter masjid, we enter gurdwara, we enter temple, we can sense a divine presence. So this is very important. Now when friends, that have you also noticed that, friends, when we see animal of any species, that it is in white, it looks more gorgeous and more beautiful than their than its compared part. It is normally seen color, friends. And friends, white elephants, white peacocks, white pigeons, and white tigers, these all creatures look more beautiful than their normally seen color. It looks more gorgeous. So this is very important. And friends, sometimes it thought to be that it is the color of it is the combination of seven color. It is the combination of seven color. So these all points about my favorite color, friends. So this is very important. Now friends, this is all important. Now friends, what I have to told you, friends, I have to told you that, friends, you know, friends, I have to told you that, friend, I am sharing my daily routine. Yes, I am sharing my daily routine, friends, what all I do in my whole day, I will share with all of you. After watching this video, can you have got ideas that how will you talk about your daily routine, friends? You know, first of all, I get up. I get up around 4 o'clock in the morning, and after that, friends, you know, and after that, I went. I go to, uh, I go to in my washroom, and friends, I go to washroom, and friends, I rinse my face, and after that I come back my room, and friends, you know, I sit study chair, and I do study around 3 hours. And friends, after that, friends, I go for a walk, and after that I come back my home, and I sweep in my whole house, and after that, friends, I prepare tea, and my father and me, we take tea, and friends, after that, friends, I take a bath, and then, friends, I prepare food, and friends, after that, I pack my lunch, and I get ready for my office, and after that, friends, I I leave my office, and friends, after reaching my reaching my office, friends, I sweep in my office, and friends, after that, I attend my all classes, and I teach my student, and after that uh, I take lunch at 2 o'clock in the noon, and after that I I start teaching again. I start teaching again after taking lunch, and friends, I took my four classes in the evening, and friends, and after that, friends, I switch off I switch off my office at 8 o'clock, and then I come back. I go back my home, and I take dinner with my father, and after that I start a movie, and my father and I we watch movie together. So this is all about my daily routine. And friends, this daily routine I will transform a past routine. Friends, how will you share your past routine? Friends, you can share that. Friends, I have got up early in the morning. I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and after that I after that I bent to rinse my face, and then I come back my room, and after that I sat on study chair, and I did study around 3 hours, and after that I went for a walk, and after that I came back my home, and I swept in my whole house, and after that I prepared tea for me and my father. We took tea with some biscuits, and after that I I prepared food, and after that I packed my lunch, and then friends I packed my lunch, and friends I took a bath, and after that I got dressed, and I got ready for my office, and after that I I left my office after reaching office, friends. I swept in my office, and after that I swept in my office. And after that, friends, I attend my four classes, and then I attended my four classes, and after that I took lunch at 2 o'clock in the noon, and after that I took a nap 15 minutes, and after that, friends, I started teaching again in evening. Friends, I attended all my four classes, and after that I switched off my office at 8 o'clock. Go I went I went I went back for my home, and I took dinner with my father, and friends, I started movie, and we watched movie, and we enjoyed movie, and after that we went to sleep. So that's all information about my daily routine, friends. And after that, friends, I also want to share my future routine. This routine I will uh, transform in future routine. That, friends, how will you express yourself tomorrow, friends? First of all, I will get up early in the morning. I will get up early in the I will get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and after that I will go for I will go I will go to rinse my face, and after that I will come back my room, and then I will sit on my study chair, and I will study around 3 hours, and after that, friends, I will I will go for a walk, and after that, friends, I will come back my home, and I will sweep in my whole house, and and after that, friends, I will prepare tea, and my father and me we will take tea, and be after that I will prepare food, and friends, after that take I will take a bath, and after that I will I will pack my lunch, and after that I will leave. I will got ready for my office, and after that I will I will leave my office. After reaching my office, friend, sweep I will sweep in my office, in my office. After that, friends, after that I will attend my I will attend all my classes, and after that, friends, after attending all my classes, friends, I will take lunch with my staff, and after that, friends, I will take a nap. I take a nap 15 minutes, and after that I will start my class again. I will attend my four class evening class, and friends, after that I will I will close my office at 8 o'clock, and after that I will come home, and I will take dinner. I will take dinner with my father, and after that I will take dinner with my father, and after that I will start a movie, and we all and we will watch movie, and after that we will go to sleep. So that's all about my friends. And friends, I am also sharing, friends, how will you introduce your friend? Friends, how will you introduce your friends? You can share, friends, that friends, I have good friends, and friends, his name is Mr. Rachit Kumar, and friends, his father name is Mr. Munish, and his mother's name is Mrs. Anita, and friends, there are there are six members in his family, and friends, he has two sisters and one brother. Friends, his elder sister's name is Mrs. Payal, and his younger sister's name is Mrs. Priyansi, and his brother's name is Mr. Sanjeev. And friends, they all are members are good, and friends, they are good. And friends, my friend uh, is studying with me, and he is also doing graduation from SM Degree College, and friends, with me. And friends, he has done 12th class from Ever Inter College with me. And friends, friends, he want to be SI, and friends, that's why he he is preparing for com- competitive exam. He is preparing for competitive exam. He is preparing for competitive exam. Yes, he is preparing for competitive exams. So this is very important. He is comparing for competitive exams. So this is all information about my friends. So friends, this is all information about me, and I have shared so many things with all of you. So now, friends, today I'm also going to share some important points about my room. Friends, this is my study room, and friends, this is my study room, and um, my room has two doors, and friends, this door goes to in the hall, and friends, this doors goes in the goes to side roadside. And friends, this is there are two chairs, and there is the one counter. Friends, I sit here, and I study on that chair. And friends, I spend a lot of time this room. Friends, I study here, and friends, this is my dream, and that I want to be a fluent speaker. So this is, you can see here that on the wall, friends, this is the uh, this is whiteboard, and friends, we use it to write something, and I use it I use it to teach my student. I write on it, friends, some points, and I have written a quotation that, friends, that, and friends, know that you can say that none can destroy a person, only only none can destroy iron, but its own can rust. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can rest. So this is very important. And friends, there are many books in my almirah, and friends, I use these my books in my past study. Friends, this is my whole books. I have read all these books, and friends, I help these books for my teaching. And friends, you can there is the bench, friends. My students come and they sit on this bench, and there is a bed, and friends, some students sit on the bed, and friends. So this is all information about my room, friends. You can see that in my room there are two maps. One is world map, second is India maps, friends. I use these maps for information and for location. I want to search some location, I can use it. And you can see that there are two flags in my room, friends. That flags I bought before 1 years when I opened this institute. And but this flag, it is not mine, friends. It is my student, friends. He friends friends he, he left this plug here, and I set this here, friends. You can see. So there is the fan, friends. We can use it. And friends, this button controls, friends. This buttons control fan. This button controls outside road. And this button controls this light. And this button controls my charging. And this button control my this light. So friends, this is all information about me. Now friends, how can you speak? And friends, nobody will believe yourself. You have to believe yourself. So this is all information about you. So now friends, this is all information. Now friends, what you can speak, friends. What you can speak. So this is all information, friends. So this is all information is closed. And we can sense here, friends. There are many student lives here with me, and they study. And some student, they are doing ITI. And some students, they are doing BA. And friends, they are some student are preparing for competitive exams. But friends, I am not preparing any kind of competitive exams, but I want to be a fluent speaker. And this is very important. And friends, so this is all information about me. And this is all. And now friends, you can see that there is the book. And all information. And friends, you can see here that here is a water bottle, friends. And there is some water in his bottle. And friends, you can see that is the water bottle, friends. I use it to drink water. So friends, I am drinking some water. You can see that, friends. you can see that friends, there is some water. And friends, you can see that here is there is a calendar on the bowl, friends. This calendar, I friends, i I get this calendar printed by, friends, KNG printers. And I friends, I did I did advertise my coaching center. So friends, so this all information about myself. So thank you, friends.